So I took this cap off to change my oil filter on my Yamaha 350 Moto 4 and I had to remove this. When I went to put it back on, it would not connect with these because it was sheared after putting all this back together. It kept jumping, and well, my solution was to put this back on, drill a hole through it, used a 1/4-inch bit, and I'm also going to use a 5.5 Allen wrench. So I've already drilled it out. Lift this up like this, put the Allen wrench through it, turn it to the side. I'm going to wrap electrical tape around this, and we're back in action.